Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to delete card in Planet Fitness. So let's get into the video. So open up Planet Fitness and then log into your account. So go to log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do now here, hit on the account option here. So click on the account option. So when you get to the account option here, under account you'll see a few tabs here. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the payment section here. So click on payment settings. Click on payment settings. So when you get to payment settings here, under saved payment methods, you'll see all your cards that I've used or you have saved. You'll see here. So if you want to just remove a card, so simply under saved payment methods, simply select the card that you wish to remove and then hit on delete. And then when you hit on delete, then it's going to ask you for a confirmation whether you want to delete it. Say hit on yes, and then this will remove the card, and that's it. The card has been removed. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.